this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and you're watching a quick overview and unboxing of the Alcatel 3T10 tablet. So this is the budget tablet device, and this comes from Alcatel. This was recently launched on Flipkart. We thought, let's buy it, let's see if it actually is worth the price, because many of you have been checking out our previous tablet devices, especially the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1, which was priced at 15,000 rupees. It was quite a decent performer, but there were many people who were asking for something that is in a budget range. So this is priced at 7,000 rupees. That's what made it much more interesting for me, since the specs were almost what you saw on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A as well. So it has a 10-inch display, 10-inch HD IPS display. So it's 1280 to 800 pixels. It comes with the 4G VoLTE, so there's no compromise with the connectivity. It has 4G VoLTE support as well as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Those kind of options are all there. 5 megapixel front facing camera, 5 megapixel rear camera, Google Assistant support. There's a dedicated micro SD card slot in case you want to expand the storage, because the internal storage is 16 GB, out of which again the OS uses some of the storage, and there is only about 10 to 11 GB available for the user. And this tablet comes with a 4080 mAh battery with the 10-watt charging support. It also has face unlock, and along with that it runs the Android 9 Pie. So this is the box package. It totally shows you how the tablet looks like. There's some specifications towards the back, and also the mention about the Google Assistant support on the back of the tablet device. On the left there are some specifications which are almost again the same that I had just mentioned to you. So let's open the box package. We already used this tablet, so this just to give you an overview of what all you get in the box. Firstly, you get this transparent screen guard. So it has a screen guard, though there is one given to us already on the screen, but I don't know, there's an extra one given here. Then apart from that, you have a pair of earphones, the micro USB cable, as well as the 10-watt charger. So these are the things that you get in the box package. It's a pretty simple deal. You don't have a lot of stuff in the box, but at least you get that screen guard. You don't have a case here, and case usually is not required for such large tablets unless you are buying something that is premium priced and that needs something to protect itself. Here it's a proper plastic bag, 5 megapixel camera towards the back, and you can just pull out the SIM card tray from here. It's not a tray, you just have to lift the flap and you can insert the SIM card as well as the micro SD card for the storage expansion from the exterior back of the tablet. And now this is the Alcatel 3T10, and it has huge bezels on every side, which is quite expected. So for a 10-inch tablet, you're almost going for over a foot in dimensions, because not over a foot, though it is almost 1 feet in the diagonal wise. So 5 MP camera, there's 2 speakers and the earpiece as well as a speaker towards the bottom, and that's the good thing. Although it always looks quite weird this way, but you can still make phone calls in emergency. So if you have a SIM card in this, and if you want to make phone calls, there's a proper phone application given here for you to make those calls. And it's Android 9 Pie. It's almost stock Android, though there are some different pre-installed applications. There's Flipkart pre-installed, Enjoy Now is one app that is pre-installed as well. We tried running Antutu benchmark, it kept failing. So I'm not sure if it can actually test Antutu, and if you can get any benchmark score here. We'll try to play some games, PUBG Mobile obviously, but I don't think it would be able to support that well. There's Power VR Rogue GE8100, that's the GPU that comes along with the MediaTek MT8765B quad-core chipset. These are not heavy specs. This is not a heavy processor as well. This should be something that is for someone who wants to read some stuff. It's mostly for reading, for web browsing, for those kind of things. Even for watching videos, it could be quite a good tablet, because it has an HD display. 1280 into 800 is not a bad resolution at all. Again, for a price range of 7,000 rupees, you won't be expecting more than this. But if you're someone who wants to even see if the tablet is able to handle things like gaming, it actually won't be able to. And weird enough, the bottom of the tablet has nothing, and on the top is the micro USB port as well as the 3.5mm headset jack, and the camera is located towards the top. On the right are the power button and the volume rocker button, and there's also the secondary microphone given here, which is again surprisingly good. And you have a 360-degree rotation here, so in case you are viewing it from any angle and rotating the tablet, it would actually rotate the content for you. There won't be any issue in that way. So that's most of it about this tablet device. That's the Alcatel 3T10 tablet. Under the settings, you have the face recognition, which is the face unlock feature. which is present to take advantage of the front facing camera and help in that extra security. Though you have the regular options such as the pattern, pin and password, there's no fingerprint sensor, there's nothing as such offered here. You have those gestures such as jump to camera and prevent drinking, which are a part of the Android's base Android's features, and nothing from Alcatel on this. So it's the stock Android that you get here. So this is the Alcatel 3T10 tablet, and you can see that design wise it's not bad at all, and it's kind of a decent tablet, decent looking tablet. There's nothing special or there's nothing bad either, and it's a plastic bag that you see here, and a camera is clearly visible towards the back of it. And the specs as mentioned, 4080 mAh battery, so it might be decent enough for a day's usage, but we'll try to do a review in case you guys are interested and want to know more about this. We'll try to do a gaming review obviously to see if it can handle games like PUBG Mobile and such, or it can do only those Subway Surfers and those kind of games. But for the other things, if you are really interested, you can just ask us any questions, because this is a tablet purchase bias. We'll keep it for long term and we'll try to use it whenever there's some questions, and we'll try to see if it is able to offer what you want to know. So that's it about the Alcatel 3T10 tablet. This is the tablet device priced at 7,000 rupees, 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, and there's one more variant of it which has the Pogo pin connector, and you can actually dock the tablet device horizontally onto a speaker. So that external speaker helps with the media consumption or the audio experience as well, but this is the base one that comes at 7,000 rupees. So that's it about the Alcatel 3T10 tablet, the quick hands-on and unboxing of the tablet device. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.